What's up guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako guys na mag-react sa pinakabagong cover song ng bandang Mission Souls, yung Jesus Take the Wheel. Ayan, yung kanta ni Carrie Underwood. Napakagandang kanta nito guys. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react.
She was driving last Friday on her way to Cincinnati on a snow white Christmas Eve.
Lamig ng boses ni Stacy dito guys.
Going home to see her mama and her daddy with the baby in the backseat on faith and gasoline. It'd been a long, hard year.
Ngayon ko lang narinig tong kanta ni Carrie Underwood na tong ganda pala.
She had a lot on her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. And before she knew it, she was spinning on a thin black sheet of glass. She saw both the lights flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was
Ganda rin ng areglo ng kantan to. Napaka-smooth ng areglo.
so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. Jesus,
Ayun no. Nagpakitang gilas na si Nisha guys.
take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own.
Ang taas pala ng chorus. Yung umpisa na stanza medyo mababa lang. Nagulat ako nung pagpasok ni Mami Sheen. Ang taas pala. Mataas pala tong chorus.
I'm letting go, so give me one more chance to save you from this road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel.
Sa mga nakapakinig guys ng original na kanta ni Carrie Underwood, ayan, malapit ba guys yung kanilang cover sa original? I-comment nyo lang sa ating comment section. Pasok ng drums ni Ice na yun. Timing na timing talaga doon sa pagpasok ng chorus ni Mama Sheena.
Take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go, so give me one more chance to save me from this road I'm on.
Ayun no. Seryoso si Daddy Sega na no. Tinatimingan niya talaga yung bagsakan ng drums ni ni Ice. Silang dalawa yung magka-tandem.
Oh, Jesus, take the wheel.
Ayun no. Meron palang adlib to guys. Ayun, pakinggan natin mabuti kung gaano ka lupit yung adlib ni Nisha dito. Ganda ng tunog ng effects ng gitara ni Nisha. Bagay na bagay doon sa kanta. Napaka lamig din pala ng boses ni Mami Sheena, no? Yung kanyang mga falsetto. Lamig sa tenga. Ayun. Kulit di Ice. Tinaas niya pa yung stick eh. Ayan guys, mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa bandang Mission Souls, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Suportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga videos na napakagaganda guys. Ayan, abangan din natin, baka maglabas sila ng kanilang mga original na kanta. At sa hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.